Welcome to Best Turkish Recipe channel. Today we are going to make homemade pizza recipe. My daughter enjoyed a lot while preparing this recipe. You also can make it with your kids. First, ferment a packet of dry yeast with 2 cubes of sugar and a glass of warm water for 10 minutes. Then, mix a glass of warm milk, half glass of vegetable oil, and fermented yeast. A sweet spoon of salt and 8 glasses of flour in a deep bowl. Now start to knead. When it's ready, cover the dough with a towel and wait to ferment for 1 hour. Divide it into small pieces. Roll the dough with some flour by your hands as you see. Take the dough in a tray and roll again. Now it's time to decoration. Spread some homemade tomato sauce. Put some grated kaşar cheese. Some sliced salami. Kaşar cheese again. Some corns, some green peppers, sprinkle a few pinches of tea and some olives on it. You can add or remove some of the decoration ingredients. It's up to your taste. Bake the pizza 200 degrees heated oven for 25 minutes. Your delicious pizza is ready. Cut and serve hot. Good appetite! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.